The art of woodworking has been cherished for centuries, allowing craftsmen to create functional and beautiful items from raw materials. However, the focus on sustainability and minimizing waste has sparked a new wave of creativity in the woodworking community. One of the most inspiring aspects of this movement is the innovative repurposing of leftover wood, which encourages not only resourcefulness but also artistic expression. By transforming scraps into useful goods, artisans embrace both the craft and the environment, ensuring that each piece of wood tells a story. The journey of repurposing begins with the recognition of potential in what is often seen as waste. Leftover wood pieces, whether from significant projects or minor cuts, can be overlooked and discarded. However, each piece possesses unique characteristics, such as grain patterns, color variations, and textures, which can be highlighted in new creations. This perspective shift fosters a mindset where every scrap is valued, inviting creators to explore their imagination and skills. In many cases, the process of repurposing leftover wood serves as a therapeutic escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Engaging in hands-on craftsmanship allows individuals to disconnect from digital distractions and immerse themselves in the tactile experience of working with wood. The rhythmic sounds of planing, sanding, and assembling provide a satisfying backdrop for creativity, helping artisans to find peace and fulfillment in their craft. Moreover, the act of transforming leftover wood into useful goods often leads to the development of new skills. As creators experiment with different techniques and tools, they expand their woodworking repertoire, gaining confidence in their abilities. This continuous learning journey not only enhances their craftsmanship, but also opens doors to innovative approaches that can be applied to future projects. Collaboration is another significant aspect of the woodworking community, especially when it comes to repurposing wood. Many artisans share ideas, techniques, and inspiration through workshops, online forums, and social media platforms. This exchange of knowledge fosters a sense of camaraderie, as creators come together to celebrate their successes and learn from one another. The collective creativity that arises from these interactions often leads to exciting new trends and movements within the craft. Sustainability is at the forefront of the repurposing movement, as more artisans recognize the environmental impact of woodworking. By utilizing leftover wood, craftsmen contribute to reducing waste and minimizing the demand for new materials. This eco-friendly approach not only benefits the environment, but also resonates with consumers who value sustainable practices. Many individuals are willing to invest in handmade goods that reflect a commitment to environmental responsibility, making repurposed items even more desirable. Furthermore, the appeal of unique, handcrafted goods is undeniable. Each piece created from leftover wood carries a distinct personality, setting it apart from mass-produced items. This individuality is especially cherished in a world where consumers increasingly seek authenticity and connection to the products they use. By showcasing their craftsmanship, artisans can create items that resonate with people on a personal level, forging a deeper bond between creator and consumer. In addition to the aesthetic appeal of repurposed wood items, functionality is a key consideration. Many artisans focus on creating goods that serve practical purposes in everyday life. This emphasis on utility ensures that each piece not only looks good, but also enhances the user's experience. Whether it's a storage solution or a decorative accent, the interplay of form and function becomes a hallmark of repurposed wood creations. The versatility of leftover wood is another reason for its popularity in the crafting community. From small scraps to larger offcuts, the possibilities are endless. Artisans can combine different types of wood, experiment with finishes, and incorporate other materials to create one-of-a-kind pieces. This exploration of various combinations often leads to unexpected results, sparking excitement and inspiration for future projects. As more individuals embark on their woodworking journeys, they often find that repurposing leftover wood fosters a sense of pride and accomplishment. Completing a project from start to finish, especially one that utilizes what would have been discarded, instills a profound sense of satisfaction. This achievement not only boosts self-esteem, but also encourages a deeper appreciation for the craft itself. Moreover, the process of creating from leftover wood can serve as an educational opportunity for both artisans and consumers. As people become more aware of the origins of their materials, they gain insight into the importance of sustainable practices. This heightened awareness can lead to a broader movement, inspiring others to adopt similar values in their own lives and crafts, ultimately contributing to a more sustainable future. Artisans often find that repurposing leftover wood also allows for experimentation and risk-taking. Without the pressure of working with expensive or new materials, creators can push the boundaries of their craft and explore unconventional ideas. This freedom to innovate can result in groundbreaking designs and techniques that redefine what is possible in woodworking. Community workshops and local makerspaces have become vital hubs for those interested in woodworking and repurposing. These spaces provide access to tools, resources, and a supportive environment for individuals to hone their skills. By fostering collaboration and creativity, these workshops help sustain the crafting community, encouraging more people to join the movement of repurposing wood. In addition to community support, online platforms have played a crucial role in spreading awareness about repurposing techniques and projects. Social media channels are filled with inspiring examples of leftover wood creations, showcasing the ingenuity of artisans worldwide. This digital sharing of ideas not only motivates others to try their hand at woodworking, but also amplifies the message of sustainability and creativity. The journey of repurposing leftover wood can also lead to entrepreneurial opportunities. Many artisans turn their passion for woodworking into small businesses, selling their unique creations at local markets or online platforms. This transition from hobbyist to entrepreneur not only provides financial benefits, but also allows creators to share their love for woodworking with a wider audience. As the movement of repurposing wood continues to grow, it inspires future generations to embrace craftsmanship and sustainability. Workshops for children and young adults often emphasize the importance of reusing materials, fostering a sense of responsibility toward the environment. By instilling these values early on, the woodworking community can cultivate a new generation of artisans committed to innovative practices and eco-friendly living. Ultimately, repurposing leftover wood into useful goods is more than just a way to create unique items. It is a celebration of creativity, sustainability, and community. As artisans continue to push the boundaries of their craft, they inspire others to see the potential in what is often overlooked. This movement not only transforms scraps into beautiful creations, but also reinforces the idea that every piece of wood has a purpose, waiting to be discovered. By embracing this philosophy, we can foster a culture of innovation that values both craftsmanship and environmental stewardship for generations to come.